These popsicles will keep you chill, no pun intended.
Let's make a magical butter infused banana and strawberry popsicle.
First thing first, we need to grab a magical butter machine and we're gonna infuse some heavy cream with our favorite flour that we decarbed. We'll set it up for 2 hours at 160 Fahrenheit. Once the cream has been infused, we're gonna filter it with a magic filter. We'll then place our infused cream into a medium saucepan with some milk and a touch of vanilla. We're gonna put that to get to a simmer. In the meantime, we're gonna whisk our sugar with the yolks and we're gonna add half of that cream to temper the eggs. We'll bring the eggs back into the pot and we're gonna cook it at a nap or until it coats the back of the spoon. Make sure to cool it down right away, otherwise it's gonna scramble. While it's getting cool, we're gonna cook some strawberries with a bit of water and we're gonna set it aside and cool it down. Once cooled down, we're gonna mix the cream and the strawberries and we're gonna pulse them. You might want to strain them if you don't want the little seeds. We'll then repeat the action with the banana and then the other half of the cream, and we're also gonna set it aside. Once everything is cooled down, we're gonna place it into our molds and in the freezer to set for at least 6 hours. Make sure to use a blowtorch to remove any bubbles. At this point, it's finished, pretty much ready to be enjoyed, and I hope you will as much as I did. Now, bon appétit.